G'day and welcome to Chill. We always bang on about mass adoption in crypto, but how often can you actually splash your portfolio around? Well, I've come across a platform that bridges the gap, giving you a top-notch card to spend your gains, plus a professional trading suite with a native token that actually rewards you for using it. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Let's dive into the video. Righto, so I know everyone's talking about mass adoption in crypto and all that sort of thing. But here's the thing. How can you actually work out what's happening with your portfolio, spend it, or do anything with it? I've actually found a platform that bridges that gap, and I'm going to show you how you can get started with it, plus the top tier card to spend your gains, do all that, and even get into professional trading. So we've got heaps of awesome stuff to cover. We're about to dive in, but before we do, just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Please do your own research. Do your due diligence and don't invest anything you're not prepared to lose. Alright, so this is the real world bridge. What's it called? It's called CZR. And this isn't just a project, it's a debit card. It's a real game changer. Now, why is this a game changer? Because heaps of people say, hey, I've got crypto funds but I can't use them. Then they'll just get on with their day, or they'll just watch it in their portfolio and see it go up and down in their cold wallet or on an exchange. With this, you can spend your crypto anywhere you like, just like you would with a Visa card, yeah? And it connects your digital assets to the real world without any hassle. So we've finally bridged the gap between crypto and the real world, not just RWA, but actually being able to buy the things you need, like groceries, household stuff, paying off bills, you name it. And on top of that, it's got premium designs with loans, all that sort of thing, wealth management, all the usual traditional finance stuff, TradFi. Your crypto isn't just stuck on a screen anymore. It's not just theoretical. It's not just a commodity. Literally, like it says, you can trade anywhere, anytime, and do all that. But I know you're about to ask a good question. How do you power this setup? How do you get it working? How do you actually get the card to work? You need a solid engine behind it. And that's where the exchange comes in. If you're not familiar with exchanges, that's where you can buy and sell crypto. That's where you can trade, do all that sort of thing, and that's how you get started. It offers global transactions, low fees, and instant settlements. And whether you're trading, spending, buying, whatever you're up to, low fees mean you keep more of your cash. So you can be a trader. You can do all of that stuff. And not only that, this is heaps cleaner. This is way faster. As you can see, this is loading pretty quickly. It's really easy to use. I've been looking for an exchange that's simple, you know. I don't like things that are overly complicated, and I prefer a clean, good-looking design. This is designed for clarity. It's made to look good, and you can also find things like rewards hubs here, where you can invite your mates. As you can see, it loads really, really quickly. Plus, this upgrade boosts the platform's security. We know it's safe, and there's even more here, like a launch pad if you want to get your own tokens up and running, or staking if you're keen to stake. And also, I know you lot are going to ask, how can I get involved and let others know about it? Well, there's a referral program. You can earn USDT just by opening up this link and sharing it with your downline, upline, or mates. And if you run into any issues, they've got 24/7 support, so you can actually get help right here, which is pretty handy because odds are you'll have questions or comments. You can head over to the exchange. G'day, I've got a question. They've also got support right here. You can get alt. You can switch it from light to dark mode if you need it for your eyesight, which is pretty important. And you can also change the language right here. I reckon that's great. So yeah, really cool stuff. On top of that, they've also got futures, so you can do all your trading here. Whether you're doing spot, different types of margin, or futures grid, it's all in the one spot, so there's no mucking about. No need to guess. Everything's right here. It loads really, really quickly and you're all set. And if you're new to trading, they've actually got a Get Started in 3 Simple Steps guide. Account, funds, and then you can start trading and get cracking. That's why this synergy's so powerful. Holding CZR gives you governance, rights, staking, rewards, fee discounts, trading abilities, a whole lot. And with the card and the user interface I mentioned at the start, you can launch your own tokens, and it's the heart of the ecosystem for early adopters through airdrops. But what does the back office actually look like? So, to get started and fund your account, you can either make a deposit or use Express. We can see my back office here. We can see my futures and all that sort of thing. We can see the info here. It even has an understand the risks section. There's always risks with any kind of trading, but that just means you can learn more about it, like margins and asset overview. So it's all pretty straightforward. Here you can go ahead and deposit, withdraw, check your transfer record, and it shows you exactly how to make a deposit here. Select the currency, get the deposit address, start the process, and check the progress. So pick your currency, easy as, choose that, and you're all set to make a deposit. You've also got withdrawal, transfer, and you can check your transfer record as well. So guys, we've covered heaps of features in a short amount of time. You can see here, there's a lot you can do, and I've only just scratched the surface. So don't just trade your crypto, live off it. Actually, use it for real-world stuff. Click the link below to sign up for the new CZR dashboard. Get yourself set up for the token, get ready for the airdrop, and be first in line for that car. Let's go! If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.